Welcome to our channel. Today we how to fix Zendesk Cloud Support failures, full guide step by step clearly. Begin by identifying the specific issue you are experiencing with Zendesk Cloud Support. Log into your Zendesk account and navigate to the Admin Center. Check the system status page for any reported outages or maintenance activities. Review the error message displayed on your screen. Document the error code and any relevant details for further analysis. Access the Zendesk Help Center for potential troubleshooting articles related to your issue. Try clearing your browser cache and cookies to resolve any temporary glitches. Switch to a different web browser to see if the problem persists. Disable any browser extensions that may interfere with Zendesk functionalities. Test your internet connection to ensure you have a stable network. If these initial steps do not resolve the issue, proceed to check your account settings. Verify user permissions to ensure you have the right access levels for the actions you are trying to perform. Inspect any recent changes made to workflows or automations that may be causing disruptions. Utilize the API to gather additional troubleshooting data, if applicable. Collect logs to help identify underlying issues that may not be immediately apparent. If problems continue, consider reaching out to Zendesk support for assistance. Prepare a detailed ticket including all relevant information and steps you have taken so far. Include screenshots of error messages, if possible, to provide context. Follow up on your support ticket periodically to stay updated on any progress. Document any solutions provided by Zendesk for future reference. Once the issue is resolved, review your workflows and settings to prevent future occurrences. Consider regular checks on system status and maintenance updates to stay informed. Familiarize yourself with best practices for using Zendesk to optimize your support experience. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.